So, hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, Photography P. Is that a bird? .com. In today's video, I want to let you guys know a quick announcement. PhotographyPX, or myself and Victor Martinez, we have just launched a course which is for free on fashion and editorial photography, which you can shoot at home with a setup that costs about $200 USD. So I want to let you know that that course is available and it's on Udemy.com. We're also in the process right now of doing a follow-up course to Home Studio Fashion Photography, which is the title of our course. I will leave a link for that course down in the description box below. But we're going to be doing a follow-up course to Home Studio Fashion Photography, a part 2, and we're going to be launching that on Skillshare here within the next week and a half. This particular update to Home Studio Fashion Photography, or version 2 of this course, is going to focus on a moodier fashion editorial shoot at home. I just want to let you guys know that we are doing both of these, and I've decided to launch these products for free on these platforms. It's a great opportunity for us to become instructors and also to start developing our teaching style and how we can actually generate content that is not only valuable, but it's also educational, it's timely, it doesn't waste any time, and it's impactful and actually helps you in a meaningful way. So absolutely check out this course if you're looking to shoot fashion editorials at home. Eventually I will also be doing a beauty photography. We're just looking for a platform to put that on specifically, and all of this is really just a testing the waters before we PhotographyPX.com and all of our subsidiary companies launches a course platform and online education platform of ourselves, which we will probably be doing within the next year to year and a half, depending on when we get the resources and funds to get that started. So this is just really a precursor to that. There'll be a lot more educational content coming soon, just outside of our YouTube channel, and I hope that this course adds value to you. If you do like this course and you find it informational, please leave a comment on the course, leave a review. I'm sure that will help us in some meaningful way. It'd also be a great way for me to get feedback as an instructor, how I can improve and deliver better content for future courses. As like I mentioned before, we're going to be launching our own course platform for PhotographyPX at some point in the very near future. And I'd like to start ironing out the kinks before we start a subscription-based platform or we start doing paid courses. I want to make sure those courses that we're going to deliver to you guys are going to be worth the time and the money that you're going to invest into those courses. But with that said, I'm excited to launch this new chapter for PhotographyPX. I'm also excited to officially be an instructor, even though I've been educating you guys here on YouTube for some time now. But if you are in the market for learning how to shoot fashion photography at home, one light setup on a budget, I will leave the actual link for our course in the description down below. I hope it adds value to you, and I also hope that it gives you faith and hope that you can actually accomplish these kind of results at home. It's 100% possible. I've been doing it for several years. It is absolutely 100% possible. I just wanted to put it in a streamlined fashion so you guys can really see that it's possible from start to finish. But there you have it, my friends. That's just our quick announcement for this video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox, Photography P. .com.